A 1-year-old. Mental health advocates say most people still are not aware of it. 988 is the National Suicide and Crisis Hotline. The National Alliance on Mental Illness says 80% of adults have not heard of it. It is just one resource for people who are needing a helping hand. Our Hannah Ferreira reporting tonight on some of the specific struggles people of color face.
Brandon White is a brain injury survivor who struggles with his mental health.
I have to be able to say I'm not okay without holding it in. Now, that was one of my stigmas as far as not admitting it.
And people like Brandon are the reason for Friday's Minority Mental Health Symposium. Community groups and national mental health experts met to talk about mental health disparities that people of color face, one of which being the stigmatization of self-care.
But when you start looking at Black and brown communities, it's just not something that historically has been widely spoken about. And when people have sought out help, they're made to feel inferior or like there's something wrong with them.
And this stigmatization causes people like Brandon to feel like they're functioning in survival mode.
I'm independent, and I still feel like that. Maybe it's the trauma, maybe it's the lingering trauma.
With July being Minority Mental Health Awareness Month, this was the perfect opportunity to highlight some of these issues.
Black and brown communities do deal with mental health issues, but due to disparities in care, they've not always been able to reach out and seek traditional care methods through clinics.
And people like Mail Roberts say they often feel pushed away when calling out for help.
A lot of us don't really know how to reach out to the community about certain things that we go through.
So where do we go from here? The first step could begin with your next door neighbor.
We need to mobilize. We need to connect with each other. We need to band together and understand what's going on.
And Brandon is doing just that. When I asked him what people who are struggling with mental health should do, he said this.
They're not alone, and if you're here in the Buffalo area, you see me, come see me.
Hannah Ferreira, 7 News, Buffalo.